Hello, very good evening to you. Sunday was a wet day for many parts of the north, and we could see some further rain here as we go through the night. But where we see some clear skies, here it could turn a little bit chilly for some of us. So taking a closer look at what we can see this evening, much of England and Wales had a fine day and staying fine through the evening and overnight. But we've got further rain across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. That rain will gradually make its way a little bit further southwards, so it could reach some parts of the far north of England by first thing on Monday morning. Taking a closer look, and you can see we will also have some clear skies forming across the far north of Scotland. So here it will be a chilly but bright start on Monday. Elsewhere further south in Northern Ireland, Scotland, here some heavy rain for Monday morning rush hour could cause some spray on the roads. But for the bulk of England and Wales, it is going to be a fine start to the day. In the southeast, clear skies overnight though will allow it to turn a little bit chilly. Could be a few patches of frost and maybe some pockets of mist and fog at first. Otherwise, as we go through Monday for England and Wales, it's going to be another fine day. Could be a little bit cloudier than on Sunday, and there may be a few spots of rain, particularly towards the west. But temperatures are actually going to be up a couple of degrees. Could get highs of around 17 or 18 Celsius. Further north for Scotland and Northern Ireland, though, here it is going to be another wet and windy day. We're going to have some heavy outbreaks of rain. We do have a yellow rainfall warning in force, which is out all the way until the end of Tuesday, as we could see some localised flooding as that rain pushes its way further northwards, heaviest for western parts of Scotland. As we go through the evening, there'll be further heavy outbreaks of rain for parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland as swathes of wet weather push their way in from the Atlantic. But further south for England and Wales, it will perhaps be a little bit of a cloudier night than Sunday night, so temperatures not dropping quite so low, most places staying in double figures. Now, the reason why we've seen so much rain over the north through the past couple of days is because of this waving front that's lying across northern parts of the UK. That will push its way northwards as we go through Wednesday and will drag in warm air from the south. So temperatures could rise into the mid-20s, which is around 8 degrees above average for the time of year. But that warm weather won't last particularly long. We've got this deep area of low pressure waiting out in the Atlantic. That's set to make its way across in time for Friday, when we are going to have a pretty unsettled end to the week. Most places will see some strong winds and some heavy rain, but I think the stormiest weather is likely to be across the Republic of Ireland. Remember, you can keep up to date with the full forecast as well as any warnings that we issued for that unsettled spell to end the week on both our app and also our website. That's it for me. Have a good evening.